Hello, my name is Sina Zolfagharysaravi and I'm a speaker at TÜV Austria Technology Days 2024. As an earthquake and structural engineer, I found the wave-based entity methods as a mean to investigate the micro and macro structure damages within the material. My background in finite element modeling combined with my experience in big data processing enabled me to explore the use of guided waves and acoustic emissions for the monitoring and inspection of composite pressure vessels. In the field of composite pressure vessels, there is a notable lack of a standardized method for their requalification using entity methods such as acoustic emission. This motivated me to base my research on developing methods that combine acoustic emission and guided waves to establish a standardized requalification process. My name is Sina and I'm living the future at the University of Bologna and TÜV Austria Group.